guys, welcome to my space, Truth Design, and today we'll be doing this amazing design on Adobe Photoshop. Come on, let's go.
Okay, this is our camera. Let's bring in our image. Let it download. First image will be this one, which we just explore. It's okay. Then just turn this off. Do the background. This one. And I'll just scale it this like this. Okay. Then I'll just change the kind to maybe multiple. I think this is good. I'll try to load them so we won't have issues later. Then our next step is to use the triangle or the rectangle. Okay, and I'll draw the S. I'll just make sure I remove the stroke and sorry about that. I'll fill it with maybe green. Okay, that's good. So to make the measurements, I'll manually do it by going to pen tool. Make sure I click on this edge, hold it down and shift, and click on this edge. So I will just let me just click another one instead of sorry. I'll create a new layer. Click here, hold it down and shift, and here. See, prefer this way because I want to press my rectangle. I'll take it up. And my rectangle, sorry. Yeah. Then I'll just rotate to the line. And make sure it fits the line. Yeah, perfect. Then I'll just duplicate, Ctrl G to duplicate and flip. Sorry, that distracted. Ctrl G to duplicate and flip like this. You can also make sure I go to the line so it will be easier and better. So, okay. Yes, perfect. Now I'll just okay. So we can delete these ones. There are many other ways to do this actually. I'm just trying to do it manually. I'll just group this together and I'll use the lasso tool, or let me use the polygonal lasso tool. I just click here, then go down and shift and click on this edge. Go down and shift again, click on this edge. Go down, shift, click on this edge, and just close it. Then I'll just click this one, which is a layer mask, and I am good to go. Let me say convert it to smart object, and I'll adjust it here. Okay. I think you can actually increase it even if it distorts like this or like this. It doesn't matter even if it distracts. So this is perfect. Our next step is to bring in Boniface, which we will be using this one. So I'll just scale it, holding down shift and alt and drag. Then I'll just click mark. Then I'll adjust his face. I'll make this big. Adjust his face to the middle. Just open the set. I think this is good. Okay. Then I think I'll change the kind to maybe screen. Screen is good. When I hold on shift, click this one and go together and just convert to smart objects. Good. Then our next step is to bring in Boniface again, which is this one. I hold down shift and auto scale it and just drag it here. Yeah. I think this is kind of good. Let's see. Yeah. This place is perfect. Then I'll bring in Boniface again. This one. Hold down shift and alt to scale. Let me see. I think this is okay. Let me adjust it here a bit. Yeah. Okay. Then I'll create a new layer. Go to my brush tool. Make sure I turn the brush upside down. Sideways like this. So brush upside. Good. I just yes. It's already dark, so it's good. Then I'll bring in Boniface again. This one. Okay. And this is perfect. Yeah. So my next step is to bring in our texture. Okay. This one. Then I'll okay it. I just change the kind to maybe screen. Yeah. Then I'll go to filter, go to blue, version blue, and just change it to maybe 70 something. Also, let's say 70. Okay, let's see 78. This one is still cool. But let me just type it 78, maybe 0.5. Yeah, I think this is good. Then our next step is Boniface, but let's bring in all the image first. So you still have this flyer pit, a texture, which I'll make it little. Hold it down shift and alt and just drag. I'll put it on this part and just maybe change it to screen. Yeah, this screen we do like it like this. Okay. Then we can bring in our map, which I have here. Okay, can make it a bit bigger. Okay, then maybe change the kinds to divine or divided.
Some of this image were downloaded on Pinterest and Freepik. So if you need any of these images on this particular design, you can message me directly. I will send them to you directly, or you can click the link in my bio. It will take you to Binance, where you can download the PSD files on Binance. Some of them are free, some of them are not. So
Can just reduce the opacity to maybe 20 something. Yeah, 19 is okay. Well, let me reduce it a bit. 13. Okay. Then we can just start writing our write-up, which is Boniface. So we can write Boniface. No, Victor Boniface. Victor Boniface. Okay. Then we can change the color to maybe this one. Yeah. Just go to filter, go to blue, partial blue, cover the smart object. Now we can just reduce it to 4 point something, maybe 4.7. Okay. I'll adjust the filter to the middle. Good. Good. Then our next step is to type in 22. Still have one more filter. 22. I think the cover is okay. I'll just adjust it like this. Not much. Okay. Then I'll bring in Boniface. So I'll just scale it into, and okay. I'll just right click, clipping mask. Then I'll just bring in the face. I think this is good. Let me adjust it. Yeah, perfect. Just group them together. Oh, hold on, let me change to something dark. Don't know, overlay. Don't know. Oh, you can change it the way you want, so you can leave it like that. But I think overlay is good. Or maybe lighter color. Okay. Then I hold down shift, group them together, and just convert them to smart objects. Then I can just adjust it like this, anyhow I want. I think I'll reduce the opacity. Yeah, good. Perfect. Then let me adjust this one. Okay. I think we have our design. Then I'll just watermark it. Write my name, Joe Design. Then I'll change the color to green. Yeah, okay, that's not green. Change it to green, dark green. Good. Then I'll go to filter, blur, partial blur, smooth objects, and okay, too much. Okay, now we have our design.
And that's the end of our design. Thank you very much. Please like, share, comment. Thank you for the support. See you in the next one. Peace.